Hello, good morning. Today is Thursday, August 14. Dito ako sa gilid ng aking backyard. Backyard ng bahay ko sa gilid. At I'm here to take a video my tomato. Look at that, my tomato. Yeah, it's huge. Yeah, this one. Yeah. And this one. Yeah. Yeah. That's my tomato. Look at this. That one. Yeah. That's my tomato. And this one. Another one. Lots of fruits. Oh, look at that, so big, sweet, it's nice. And this one, it's so big, it's huge. One, yeah, look at that. Yeah. The other one, this one. And this is my eggplant. Yeah, look at that, my eggplant. Oh, what happened to the eggplants? Yes. I don't understand why my eggplants is like this. And this is my flowers. Very nice. Yeah, it's nice. My flowers. So nice, look at that's the flowers. And this is my strawberry here in my backyard. Yeah, this is my strawberries. Plenty of flowers, but almost the fruit is already, yeah. Yeah. And this one. And look at that. Lots of flowers. Yeah. And this is my beautiful flower. Look at that. Yeah. And this is my sunflower. Okay. Very nice sunflower.